I didn't expect to steam the carrots. It actually made a must-have delicacy on the Chinese New Year table. Sweet and cute bomb. Big kids like it. The approach is still simple. Sliced carrots, steamed in a pot. Prepare a caddy of fresh red dates. Wash off surface dust and impurities. Cut in the middle with scissors. Take out the pit and set it aside. Puree carrots. Add 200 grams of glutinous rice flour. Knead into a dough. Pull out a piece and rub it into small balls. Put it in the middle of the red dates. Press alert. Arrange in a round shape. Boil the water and steam over high heat for 10 minutes. A heart is a breeze for you. It would make me happy for a few days. Please help order this video and be careful. Thanks. If possible, you can drizzle a circle of osmanthus honey sauce. This red date smiles. It means that life is sweet, and the smile is always open. Soft, waxy and sweet. Nice and delicious. It will be Chinese New Year soon. Save it. You can find it anytime you want. The 15th type, everyone pay attention. Yam eggs. Millet red dates, these 4 simple ingredients. Deeply loved by friends big and small. No rolling, no kneading. The key is simple. Peel the yams and cut them into small pieces. 200 g yam. 2 eggs. 80 g millet. 40 g red dates. Appropriate amount of white sugar is fully whipped evenly. Oil on pan. Pour into a pan-greased dish. Boil the water and steam for 20 minutes. Simmer for 2 minutes. The yam cake made in this way is not only sweet and soft. The key is delicious, nutritious and healthy. Children and the elderly love to eat. I'm serious about cooking. I like it, you can do it together. Put the dumpling skin in a hot pan. It becomes a delicacy instantly when it comes out of the pot. Many people have never eaten. Follow my video to see how it works. First, prepare the dumpling skins left over from last year. Cut him horizontally and vertically. Cut it into a video and that's it. Put grapes in a bowl. Dried red dates, add a spoonful of flour. Add forget love water to wash it. Flour has strong adsorption. Cleaner that can be cleaned. Then cut the dumpling skin. Fry at 50% oil temperature. Fry it until it is set and then remove it. Rise the bar oil temperature and refry again. Fry until golden brown and crispy. Put a bowl of sugar in a pot. A bowl of water and then start boiling. Turn on a low heat and boil the sugar until it bubbles. Boil until it becomes smaller. Boil until slightly yellow. Then add raisins hongbao. Fried dumpling skin. Stir fry quickly and evenly. You'll see a slight drawing. Then pour it into the mold of brushing pan oil. Flatten it with a shovel. Demolding after cooling. Cut into small pieces. Sweet and crispy. Very delicious sakuma, that's it. Everyone pay attention. Put the corn in the blender and give it a whisk. Make it. It turned out to be a classic food popular in dessert shops. 99% of people have never seen. First, put the corn at 8 cents a piece. Peel it off like this. Pour into blender. Add an appropriate amount of water. Whisk out delicate corn juice. Conditions permit, you can filter it. Pour 1000 milliliters of corn juice into a pot. 200 milliliters milk. 30 g sugar. Burn a fire. A heart is just a lift for you. For me, it is the greatest encouragement and support. This video, please order a free little red heart. Thanks very much. After boiling, add 50 grams of white jelly and stir well. Bring to a boil again, turn off the heat and pour into the mold. It solidifies naturally after cooling. Then cut it into small pieces with a knife and eat it. This is the corn custard QQ bomb. Friends big and small love to eat. Family members who haven't eaten yet. It must be arranged. The 11th type is still unknown to many people. Put the purple potatoes in the glutinous rice flour. You can make a New Year's Eve dinner that surprises everyone. Nice and delicious. Some people live to be 90 years old without eating. Guaranteed to let you learn at a glance. Cut the peeled purple potatoes into slices. Cook it over high heat. Mash it hot into a delicate purple potato puree. Put my favorite raisins. 300 g chopped red dates and glutinous rice flour. Pour in 120 grams of water. Knead into a smooth dough. Cut into the shape you like. A heart is a breeze for you. For me, it would be too happy to sleep. Please help order this video and be careful. Thank you. Do it all, put it in the steamer and steam it directly on fire. Just steam the water for 15 minutes. It means a prosperous year to come. Rising every year. Take a bite of the thick aroma of purple potato jujube. Soft waxy drawing. Delicious and healthy. Simple approach. Save it. You can find it anytime you want to eat it. How to conquer the children at home during the Chinese New Year. Make this little oil-free and water-free snack. Sweet and delicious. The ingredients and methods are very simple. Beat 3 eggs in a bowl. Appropriate amount of sugar. Mix well. Add 250 g flour. A pack of easy-to-use hair socks. Stir into a flocculent. Knead into a dough. Wake up to 2 times larger. After waking up, knead the dough and exhaust. Roll into a large sheet. Cut into long strips first. Slash the knife into small rhombus shapes. See here, can you give a little red heart to support it? Thank you very much. I wish you all good health. All the best, all your wishes come true. Great financial resources. After all is done, be careful not to wake up. Do not put oil in the pan. Turn on medium and low fire throughout the process. One side changes color, turn it over and bake it until it bulges and it's ripe. The small snacks made this way are oil-free and water-free. Health and hygiene. Nutritious and delicious. Old people and children like it. Simple approach. Save it. You can find it anytime you want to eat it. Everyone pay attention. Soak the milk in the mung beans. You are about to get a copy. The New Year's Eve dishes that have been very popular recently. Do the last one during the holidays. It is very face-saving to entertain guests. Suggest like collection. First prepare 300 grams of mung beans. Add water and soak for 2 hours. Soaking in advance makes it easier to cook mung beans. Put the soaked mung beans in the steamer. Steam over high heat for 30 minutes. Steam until you can gently crush it by hand. Then put it in a bowl. Add a bag of pure milk. 200 sticky rice flour, then mix well with a spoon. Stirred me like this. Beat an egg that graduated from junior high school into the bowl. Stir well to disperse. Some people like to watch videos in silence. But he'll double-click to give a heart a boost. Such a person is not only kind, but also very caring. You will be happy and rich. Brush oil in the mold for easy demolding. Pour the batter into the mold. Boil the water and steam for 15 minutes. Refrigerate for 2 hours after steaming. Then cut into pieces the size of your mouth. In a step-by-step pose. Finally, drizzle with the delicious osmanthus honey that everyone says. A delicious dish. The beautiful osmanthus mung bean cake is ready. Soft, waxy and sweet. Adults and children love to eat. You should try it too. I didn't expect to pour a bottle of milk into the millet. The moment it comes out of the pot is an adult. Specialties that kids love. Many people live to 80 years without seeing. It's delicious. First prepare 300 grams of millet. Add water and soak for an hour. Let the millet fully absorb water. Boil the water and steam over high heat for 10 minutes. Steam until the millet becomes full and fluffy. Then pour into the basin. Add a spoonful of sugar. Bottle of pure milk. Add the right amount of starch. With a styling wooden spoon given by my first love. Stir to form water like this. Iron plate oil brush easy demolding. Pour the batter in. Boil the water and steam for 15 minutes. Prepare a lemon. Slice for later use. I share delicious food with my heart every day. If you like it, and leave a follow. Find me next time you want to do it. Thank you very much indeed. Let cool for an hour after steaming. Cut into small pieces with a knife. Pose a step-by-step pose. You can drizzle some honey or osmanthus honey to make the flavor more fake. The small rice cake made in this way is soft, waxy and sweet. It's delicious. This dish is simple. Nutritious and delicious. If you like it, collect it and make it. Everyone pay attention. Soak the milk in the horse's hoof. You are about to get a copy. The New Year's Eve dishes that have been very popular recently. Do the last one during the holidays. It is very face-saving to entertain guests. Suggest like collection. First prepare a caddy of horseshoes. Pour in water and soak for 10 minutes. This step can be done quickly. Wash away the sediment and dirt from the horseshoe. Then I peel it off. Pour into the blender. It tastes better when stirred like mine. Stir well and put into bowl. Add 500 milliliters of pure milk. 150 g tapioca starch. 150 g cornstarch. 40 g white sugar. Stir well with a spoon. Stirred me like this. Beat a natural egg into the bowl. Stir well to disperse. I share the love of my brothers and sisters every day. Food to eat. If the phone still has power today, please help me order a little red heart. Thanks. Brush oil in the mold for easy demolding. Pour the batter into the mold. Boil the water and steam for 15 minutes. Refrigerate for 2 hours after steaming. And we cut them into little squares. in a step-by-step pose. A delicious and beautiful horseshoe cake is ready. Soft, waxy, and sweet. Adults and children love to eat. You should try it too.